Hello everybody, today I have a new Forex trade for you. Let's first have a look at the Fear and Greed Index for the stock market. We're neutral for the moment, and in the crypto market we are still greedy. For the S&P 500, again, new all-time high, low volume as usual. We're coming down a bit today. So trend line still intact, so that's fine. Gold. We're coming close to the golden zone over here, which is resistance. It hasn't been touched. So we're gonna have to see in the coming days whether we are coming down or whether this was or there will be another push up to touch it and to retest the highs here from 16th of June and then July and the end of July. Silver, on the other hand, looks less good. If we take OBV, so on balance volume, and let's also take the MACD. So what we can see here is that volume keeps dropping. Although we had the low here on the 9th of August, there's still more and more selling volume, which is bearish. You get a bearish divergence, price goes up, but volume goes down. And then also when we look at the MACD, so here you have your previous high from the 4th of August, which makes in the MACD this little top in the green, and now we're coming up and making a much higher top. So means here the MACD is going up, but then if we compare it here, price for now is still lower. So yeah. That's also a bearish divergence. So yeah, I'm not too sure to take a trade over here. For now, it doesn't look so good. Then what else do we have? Was there something with crude oil? I believe that we still had this harmonic. Yeah. Looks like we are coming back above this trend line. So here we're gonna have to see how it holds. Then let's see whether we are better off in gold or the stock market. So that's fairly neutral. Okay, let's remove the indicators again. So we're still stuck between the monthly, which is now support, and the golden zone, which is resistance. So for the Forex, the new trade is Australian dollar against the Singaporean dollar. So we did form a deep crab, and I really like to trade deep crabs. Why? Because you always have a deep sell-off, and or in the opposite direction, then you have a strong buying, and then you also get a very strong inverse reaction. So here, if you want to take a trade, stop loss is below the low you have over here. Then take profit is here, the 0.618 from this high from the 10th of May till the low from the 20th of August, and then take profit 2 is the 1.272, also from the same points. So you can see the sell-off, and you can also see how volume is getting lower and lower. So less and less sellers are showing up. They get exhausted, and then you get a counter reaction. Then the dollar strength. We're losing again. So we're gonna have to see what will follow here. We just touched the golden zone from this low to this high. So we did break this green support line, and now it looks like we're closing back above. Euro Hungarian forint. So as I said last week, I loaded up again here. So we're back at the same level. Also a lot of selling volume. Well, a gigantic amount of selling volume. But we closed more or less where we opened. So that's that should be a quite bullish sign. So that means that all the selling volume got absorbed by the bulls. The stocks, so Alibaba 3% up. So indeed it looks like point B over here was the low. So also here, very nice sell-off. And then the reversal. Deutsche Bank, I guess also not much to say. No. PayPal, I'm still in the short. So it looks like we did come into this gap to retest it. Now financials ETF, also here double top, and it looks like we are coming down. GDX, here we had the butterfly pattern, so also we're coming nicely up. And then American 30-year bonds support at the weekly, and it looks like this pitchfork is not really useful. Well, I'm gonna leave it for now. Maybe in the coming days it might still prove to be useful. And then copper, I'm also still in the long. So take profit target is still coming up. All right, the crypto market then. Bitcoin dominance. Let's take the harmonic pattern off. So not looking good. Maybe we're gonna retest again the monthly support here at 41.31. So how did Bitcoin do? Today plus 0.79 for the moment. Yeah, we're still ranging between 47k and 49.5. Yeah, so nicely holding up for the moment. Volume is quite low. So, yeah, not much to say about this one. This naked point of control we can remove. It has been touched. Ethereum doing very nice. Plus 5.81. So we did break above this daily resistance finally. Now we're straight into the golden zone. Still again some resistance on the upper part of the golden zone. But it looks like we might get through that one. Buying volume is above average, so looks good. Yeah, then indicator trading. Again, Tezos, which is not performing as it should be. So we got then the buy signal on the 27th of August, and now it looks like we're gonna have a sell signal. So we barely made any profit here. We lost a lot in the days before, and now it also won't be much profit Doge still coming down, nothing to see here. So yeah, Bitcoin still above the trigger line. Ethereum, so nice pump up. And the trigger line is coming up. Okay, that's good. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm long without leverage, since we did broke the parabolic SAR. That was my exit, and so far no new re-entry. I'm gonna have to wait until some whales are unloading, and then I can load up back at the trigger line. Bitcoin Cash, we got the sell signal, so unfortunately for the moment we are higher, so this is also a loss for the moment. Then XRP, we got the buy signal, and then we got a sell signal yesterday at the end of the day, and today we pump almost 7.5%, which triggers again a buy signal, so that means we lose 7.5%. So let's see, Bitcoin Cash, so minus $47. Tezos, $4 in profit. Doge, 55.8 in profit. Bitcoin 252. And then XRP, that's $150 in loss, and that will be final since we have the buy signal. All right, okay, that's it for me. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.